Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you've joined me here today where we've got this absolutely stunning 5-bedroom home in a highly sought after area of Whitnash in Leamington Spa. It's a short drive to town, there's lots of local amenities, superb schools, and at the end of the road we've got wonderful countryside and a fantastic Leamington and County Golf Club. Let's take a look inside. Join me in the beautiful and generous rear garden of this fabulous home. It really is a sun trap. We've got this lovely water feature. We've got a raised terrace from a beautiful kitchen, and we've also got doors coming out from a living room too. And at the top, from the master suite, we've got this lovely balcony where you can see out into the countryside. It really is beautiful. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.